Hello student, today we are solving practice set 2.2 from chapter number 2 parallel lines. This is our first question. In this question, angle y is equal to 108, x is equal to 71 degree, and here the question is asked, are the lines M and N are parallel? So justify it. So here we have to find out this line L and line N are parallel with each other or not. So in this diagram you can see angle X and angle Y both are interior angles. So let us write down all these given points in this line. So from figure, angle X and Y are interior angles formed by two lines. These two name of these two lines is M and N, and one transversal, that is transversal N. So by using interior angle property, addition of these two angles is equal to 180 because both angles are supplementary angle. So let us check it. Is it supplementary or not? So by using interior angle theorem, here I just add it or checking it out. Is it true or not? So let's substitute its value. So its addition is, we will get here 179 is equal to 180. Is these both terms are congruent with each other? No, it is not congruent. Both sides are not equal. Therefore, this LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side, both are not same. So if it is not same, you can say that this line M and line N are not parallel with each other by using interior angle test. In other word, you can say this line M and line N both are not parallel lines with each other. Question number 2. In question number 2, in this figure, angle A and angle B both are congruent. It is given. Then here we have to prove that line L and this line M both are parallel. So this is our to prove. Our given point is angle A and B both are congruent. So in this figure, line angle A and angle B, there is a correlation between these two angles. Both angles are exterior alternate angles made by these two lines and one transversal. So here I write down this step. From this figure, these two angles are exterior alternate angles made by or formed by two lines. Two lines are L and line M, and one transversal, that is line N. So if these two angles are exterior alternate, then let it check it out. Is it congruent or not? Yes, it is congruent because it is given. If these two exterior alternate angles are congruent, then you can say that by alternate angle test, this line L is parallel with line M. Question number 3. In question number 3, if angle A congruent with angle B, it is given, and angle Y is also congruent with angle X is congruent with angle Y. Then here we have to find prove that line L parallel with line N. So line L is here and line N is here. So there is a no correlative angles are given. Here angle A and B are congruent, it is given. X and Y, these two angles are congruent, it is given. But there is a no correlation between B and Y. So first we have to prove that these two lines, that is line L and line M is congruent, are congruent. Again, next step is this line M is congruent, is parallel with line N. So that you can say that this line L is parallel with line M. So let us start this proof. So from this figure, this angle A and B, in this figure, angle A and B, you can see both angles are corresponding angle. So these corresponding angles are made by two lines. These two lines are line L and line M, and one transversal, that is line K is their transversal. So due to this transversal, these two corresponding angles are congruent. It is given. So from this given concept, you can say that these two angles are made by again these two lines. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. So this is our equation number 1. So we write down this step by using corresponding angle test. Now let us use these two angles, angle X and angle Y. In this figure, these two angles are made by one segment. The name of this segment is not given. So here I am suppose taking it as suppose segment PQ. So this segment PQ is a transversal which form these two interior alternate angle. So here I am just considering, let us assume that angle X and angle Y are two interior alternate angles formed by, suppose here we take segment PQ as their transversal. So it is given angle X congruent with angle Y. So if these two interior alternate angles are congruent, then you can say these two lines, line M and line N, are parallel because these two interior alternate angles are congruent. It is already given. So by using alternate angle test, we can say this line M and N are congruent. Now see equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here line M is common line. So from equation 1 and 2, this line L parallel with line M and parallel with line N. So you can say this line L is parallel with line N also. Hence our concept is proved. This is one extra question based on test of angles. So in this question, measure of X is given 65, measure of Y is given 115 degree. Are line M and N parallel? So let us find out. First find out, is there any correlation in between angle X and Y? No, there is no correlation between these two angles. So here I am considering one more extra angle opposite to angle X. You can consider here also. So here I am taking this opposite angle and I am just writing this point here. Let us assume opposite angle of X be angle A. Therefore these two angles are congruent because both angles are opposite angle. But here value of X is given. It is 65. So from given angle, measure of angle A is equal to 65. This is our equation number 1. Now in this figure, you can see there is a correlation between angle A and angle Y. Both are interior angles. So now angle A and angle Y are interior angles made by two lines. The name of these two lines are M and N and one transversal L. So by using test, here I am writing down first angle plus second angle Y. Both are interior angles. So let us check both angles are supplementary or not. So here is the substitution. Addition of these two measure is equal to 180 degree. So here LCM LHS is equal to RHS. Both sides are same, congruent. So if these both sides are congruent, you can say this line M is parallel with line N by using interior angle test, because these two angles are interior angles. So by using this test, you can say if these two angles are supplementary, then these two lines are parallel with each other.